Welcome to Seacoast Real Estate Academy. Today in our Laws and Rules series, we'll be going over the broker name, address, and advertising. Rule A.0103. A broker must notify the Commission in writing or online writing within 10 days of each change in personal name, firm name, trade name, residence address and firm address, telephone number, and email address. If a broker intends to advertise in any manner using a firm name or assumed name which does not set forth the surname of the broker must first file an assumed name certificate in compliance with GS 66-71.4 and must also notify the Commission of the use of such firm name or assumed name. For individuals and partnerships, a name is assumed when it does not include the surname of the licensees. For a firm required to be registered with the Secretary of State, a name is assumed when it is different from the firm's legal name as registered with the Secretary of State. Please note, most franchisees operate under assumed names. An assumed name certificate can be filed in the Register of Deeds office for uploading to the statewide database maintained by the Secretary of State. A licensee operating as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or business entity other than a corporation or limited liability company may not include in its legal or assumed name the name of an unlicensed person or a provisional broker. A broker who proposes to use a business name that includes the name of another active, inactive, or canceled broker must have the permission of that broker or his or her authorized representative. This rule provision is intended to prohibit a broker or firm from using without proper authorization the name of some other broker or former broker who is not currently associated with the broker or firm, such as a former associate or deceased broker. Now let's take a look at advertising, Rule A.0105. A licensee must have the proper authority to advertise. A broker may not advertise or display a for sale or for rent sign on a property without the written consent of the owner or the owner's authorized agent. A broker may not advertise any brokerage service for another without the consent of his or her broker in charge and without including in any advertisement the name of the firm or sole proprietorship with which the broker is associated. The rule also prohibits any advertisement by a licensee that indicates an offer to sell, buy, exchange, rent, or lease real property is being made by the licensee's principal without the involvement of a broker. All advertising by a licensee must indicate that it is the advertisement of a broker or brokerage firm. If you like this video, feel free to share it with a friend. For more real estate education content, please subscribe to the channel. From all of us at Seacoast Real Estate Academy, thank you for watching.